Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we can find the value of this math question 9 divided by 3 parenthesis 9 divided by 3. If you know the answer, then send in comment section and wait for my answer that either your answer is right or wrong. So now we can move to solve this question by wrong method because mostly people can solve this question by this wrong method. He can solve this is 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now again in next step 9 divided by 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. But this answer is absolutely wrong because the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS, which say that parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So firstly we can solve parentheses. So 9 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now here one multiplication and one division. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. So firstly we can solve division. 9 divided by 3 equals 3 and then we can multiply 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. This is the final answer of this question. To see more maths video like this, subscribe to the channel.